Hello, here is chart 6.2 and this will be the last lesson for this semester. It's talking about 6.2 is talking about what? Definite integration. Yes. So here I'll just give you the introduction and show you how to solve definite integration. We'll have a couple of examples. Let's say integrate. So I already told you before that integration is calculating area. So in definite integration, let's say you have this type of graph. So definite integration is, for example, calculating for you the area under this curve. Always the integration is calculating area above the x-axis, that means positive x. So this will be the area that I'm going to calculate. Let's say it will be from A to B. So it will be from A to what? To B, and this is the area that I will calculate. So let's say we want to integrate x squared dx, and the boundaries are from 1 to 2. First thing, integrate this one. Normally you know that you're going to add on this exponent 1, so it will be x squared plus 1, which is x cubed over 3. In definite integration, you're not going to add a constant number. There is no plus here. Instead of that, you'll put here 2, 1, 2 and 1. Here you'll put this one. So here in the first place, you'll substitute this x by the bigger number, which is the higher number. So it will be 2 cubed over 3 minus the next. You always have to put a negative here because I'm talking about b minus a, this area. So 1 what, instead of x I put 1 cubed over 3. If you want to simplify this, 2 cubed is 8 over 3 and 1 cubed will be 1 over 3. You can subtract this and you can find 7 over 3. So the area is here 7 over 3. Let's have another example. Okay, integrate 3 dx. So if you have 3, you're going to put an x here. It will be x to the power of 1 divided by 1. It doesn't make any difference, so there is no plus here, as I told you. But you put these numbers, which are 6 and 2. You have to start with the 6. Instead of 6 is going to be replaced instead of the x, minus 3 times what? 2. So this will be 18 minus 6, which will give you 12. So this will be our answer. Another example. Let's say you have x plus 1 dx from 0 to 2. Okay, so first thing I want you to integrate. What's x? It will be x squared over 2, because this x have a power of 1. Add on it another, it will be 1 plus 1, which will give you 2. Divide by the same exponent, plus for any constant you're going to add an x, and this is going to be from 0 to 2. So here you can easily make for each one alone separately, then you can add them together. So if we start with this, first thing, it will be what? Instead of this x, you'll put a 2, so 2 squared over 2 minus 0 squared over 2. So now what I did here is just for this one and this one, I'll do it here. What's the sign between them? It's the plus. So instead of x, you'll put 2 minus the smaller number, which is 0. Now 2 squared will be 4. 4 divided by 2 will give you 2, minus 0 squared is 0. 0 divided by 2 will be just 0, plus 2 minus 0. So the zeros got nothing to do here, so it will be 2 plus 2, which will give you 4. Okay, another example. Okay, what if you have 3x squared plus 5x minus 2 dx. So again here integrate, it will be 3x, 2, add on it 1, it will be cubed, and divide by the same exponent here, over 3 plus 5x. This is x to the power of 1, so when you add one more power, it will be x to the power of 2 divided by 2 minus 2x. So this is going to be from 2 to 5. There is something that you can simplify it here. 3 will be simplified with the 3, so you can put for each and every one by itself. Here 2, 5, and again here 2, 5, same thing here. So first I'll do for this one, it will be x cubed. So what's the value of x? It will be 5 cubed minus, I don't have any other number here because this denominator is cancelled out, and 2 cubed. Instead of this x you'll put a 2, so it will be 2 cubed. I'm done with this one. Plus, now let's do for this. So you'll have 5x squared. X squared. What is the x? In the first place it will be 5 squared divided by 2 minus 5. What will be the next number here? 2 squared. Again done for this one. Now this one is left. You have a negative here. Open a new bracket. 2x, which is 2 times the first number will be 5, minus 2x, 2 times 2. Now here you can use your calculator if you want to simplify it. 5 cubed is 125. Let's check that. 5 cubed minus 8 plus, again 5 squared is 25 times 5, it will be 125 over 2 minus 2 squared is 4, 4 times 5 will be 20 over 2 minus 2 times 5 will give you 10 minus 4. Now you can just simplify this one using your calculator to find a certain constant number. This is just about using computers. Okay, actually I want to do for you the next video, which is talking about the application of definite integrals in business. So I hope that you understood how to do this stuff. I'll give you a couple of questions that I want you to try by yourself. Okay, here you have 3 questions. The first one is saying x cubed dx from 0 to 1, and here 2x minus 1 dx from 3 to 7. Here integration of x squared minus x plus 1 dx, negative 3 and 2. Okay.